How to food poisoning happen. Imagine this. You're enjoying a delicious meal at a camping. Hours later, your stomach twists, nausea kicks in, and you rush to the bathroom. That sudden illness? That's food poisoning. But how does food poisoning actually happen? Let's break it down. Food poisoning causes. Food poisoning begins when harmful germs or toxins sneak into the food we eat. 1. Sometimes it's bacteria, like Salmonella or E. coli, hiding in undercooked meat or eggs. 2. Other times it's viruses, like norovirus, which can spread quickly if someone doesn't wash their hands before preparing food. 3. Then we have parasites, such as Giardia, found in contaminated water. 4. And finally, toxins. These are poisonous chemicals that certain bacteria or shellfish can produce. Everyday mistakes that lead to trouble. So, how do these germs get into our meals? Usually from simple mistakes. First, if we forget to wash our hands before cooking, germs can travel from our skin straight into our meal. Even fresh veggies need a wash. If we don't wash them properly, they might have germs from dirt or bugs. Second, using the same cutting board for raw chicken and then salad. That's cross-contamination. Germs jump from meat to veggies. Third, eating food that isn't cooked all the way gives germs a chance to survive. Fourth, drinking unpasteurized milk. Milk that hasn't been heated to kill germs, or eating leftovers that have spoiled can be dangerous. Food poisoning symptoms. Once inside your body, these germs or toxins attack. Within hours, or sometimes days, you may feel nausea, vomiting, stomach cramps, diarrhea, fever, or just overwhelming tiredness. Think of it as your body's alarm system trying to fight off an invader. Prevention made simple. The good news? Food poisoning is preventable. Wash hands with soap before and after handling food. And always wash fruits and veggies before eating. Cook meals to the right temperature. Store leftovers in the fridge, not on the counter. Avoid raw milk, eggs, or seafood. Final thought. So now you know how food poisoning happens and how to stop it before it ruins your day. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more simple health explanations.